Hello, welcome to the third edition of Wildlife Monthly, your seasonal guide to British wildlife with me, Adam Canning. It's May, and yet it's another busy month for Britain's flora and fauna. Our commonest and most widespread woodpecker, the great spotted, is found in a wide variety of wooded habitats. This attractive bird will even visit gardens, clinging onto feeders. Males are distinguished by the red patch on the back of their heads. And this month, males will venture into gardens, visiting bird feeders to feed his growing offspring. As well as their distinctive drumming, which is done by both sexes, they have an unmistakable far-crying chick call. You never know, you may even get to see an orange morph great spotted woodpecker.